Hi, my name is Christina, and in this video I will show you everything you need to know about agent setup in the Omnivoice business phone system. I will cover the following points: how to work in the journal, designed to keep track of all your history, voicemails, and messages. How to work with the business contacts book, which is a mini CRM feature with all the contact information and communication history of each client. How to customize your personal settings such as call forwarding and voicemail, and a few words about our mobile app so you can work from anywhere. You can always check the time codes below to find the parts you need. Let's begin. Journal. The starting tab of your business phone system is the journal. Log into your Omnivoice account and go to the Journal section, where all your clients' requests, such as calls, messages, and voicemails, are gathered in one place. Filter the journal by the type of activity, such as inbound or outbound call, unread or read voicemail, missed, dropped, or accepted calls, or by agent. You can listen to voicemails or read their transcriptions, or even have them sent to your email, the one attached to your profile. You can also listen to your call recordings here, which are stored in the cloud for 1 year for free, so there is no need to have additional space on your drive. When a task is completed, click on the 3 dots in the corner and choose Resolve Request. This way, the journal will help you keep better track of tasks that are done or tasks that need some attention. Alternatively, you can leave a note to the call to ensure your team stays informed. If necessary, you can save a contact and call them straight from the journal. Webphone. The Webphone is integrated into the system, so you can easily open it at any time and dial the number you want to reach. Please make sure you've enabled the microphone in the browser, or your callers won't be able to hear you. You can see the list of your business numbers you can call from, and the gear icon for ringtone, microphone, and speaker headset settings. Just open the dial pad and start typing the number. Once you've dialed the number, hit call to start the conversation. In the Omnivoice Webphone, you can transfer calls, add participants to the call, and open a dial pad to dial extensions. Contacts. Want to save information about your customers and see the history of interactions that your business had with a certain contact? Move to Business Contacts Book tab, where all the interactions and notes are grouped by your contacts and are visible to all your team members. Now let's see what's included in the Omnivoice Team section. Here we can see all the team members associated with your company. You see their statuses at the moment, available on a call or a D&D, extensions, names, and roles. Their forwarding numbers and emails are also shown here. In the Groups tab, you'll see the breakdown of calling groups created for call routing purposes. Click Expand to see all the details, who is included in the group, and what call flows this group is used for. Well, now let's look at your personal profile. To open it, click on your profile picture and choose My Profile. Here you can view and update your first and last name, your time zone, and your forwarding numbers, the numbers that you will receive business calls on. Please make sure you've filled out your emergency address. It ensures emergency response teams can locate you when you call for help in case of an emergency. Don't forget to update this address whenever you change your physical location. Click on My Forwarding Numbers to set your personal call forwarding rules to your devices. Call forwarding rules can be different for each user depending on how you want to answer calls: via your cell phone, the web phone, the Omnivoice mobile app. Check the links in this video description: a desk phone or a soft phone. To enable call forwarding to an external soft phone, you'll need to use your Omnivoice login information in your IP phone settings. When you've listed your call forwarding options, you can select whether the incoming calls will ring sequentially or simultaneously. If you choose sequentially, make sure you put the call forwarding options in the order that you want them to ring. We recommend using our web phone first if you have your browser open most of the time. If you work on the go, it's better to put the mobile app option on top. This way, you'll receive calls to your cell phone first. In the Answering Rules tab, you can specify how to handle calls when your status is Do Not Disturb, when you're busy on another call, or when you don't answer. In Greetings and Media, you personalize your audio greetings by choosing the music on hold, adding a custom ringback tone, and changing the message the callers will hear if they are directed to your voicemail. Sure enough, you can keep the default audios, but if you want to add your own custom greeting, you can upload it here or record your own using the Record via Phone option. It works this way. Just enter your cell phone number and you will receive a call, pick it up and dictate your message. And it will be loaded into the system so you can select it. Also, if you're planning to use the dial by name option, you will need to make a recording with your first and last name pronounced clearly and add it here. When you're done, please check the Dial by Name option in the Additional Settings tab and save changes. That's it about your settings, but there's one more important topic I'd like to cover: the Omnivoice mobile app. Let's check it out. Omnivoice mobile app is available on iOS and Android. In the app, you can make and receive calls, read and answer messages, change your status, add and edit contacts, view communication history, listen to your voicemails, and read their transcripts, listen to call recordings, and block unwanted callers. For your outgoing calls, you can use one of the 3 calling methods: IP telephony, mixed method, or cellular network. Use the IP telephony option if you have a good internet connection. This way, the customers you call will see your Omnivoice business number or caller ID, and you will not be using your cell phone package data or minutes, just your Omnivoice minutes. Use the mixed method if you have a poor internet connection. In this case, the call will go through your Omnivoice business number, and it will also be displayed for your clients, but both your cell phone number's minutes and Omnivoice minutes will be used. And lastly, if you have no internet connection, use the cellular network option. Your business number will not be displayed, and the calls will ring from your cell phone number. I hope this video helped you get more confident using Omnivoice. You can always reach out to our support team for assistance. Thank you for joining.